Hello, wellness women. How are you doing? Whew, what a last few days that I have had in terms of keeping myself encouraged and keeping myself motivated to do what it is that I feel that God has placed me on this earth to do. And as I was thinking about what I wanted to talk with you about today, I was thinking, I want to give you hope. I think right now, hope is probably the most important intangible commodity that we all need right now. I know I need it. I know my children need it, my husband, my family, my friends. We are all investing in hope. So I wanted to encourage you today because for the next couple of weeks or so, what I'm going to be focusing on is hope, which is honoring our purpose every day, honoring who we are, honoring what we feel our purpose is, and doing something towards it every day in a positive way. We need to keep moving forward so that we can honor our purpose, because I believe that all of us in this group and all women everywhere have a purpose that's an intangible part of getting us through this. I think that we all need to be encouraged because many of us are responsible for not just ourselves, but our families and perhaps sick parents or sick friends, and encouraging our other friends. After all, we are the nurturers in our society. Love it or not, that's the reality. And in many cases, that's how we're rigged. So how do we go about doing that? Doing something to honor who you are and doing something to honor your purpose, whatever it is that God has placed upon your heart to do in terms of why you're still here. What is it that you're supposed to be putting into the world? I've been doing this a long time. It's been 11 years that I've had my company, and it has been a fantastic 11 years. In fact, this is my anniversary month, and that is why my theme is going to be hope. Honoring our purpose every day. And you're going to be seeing more and more information about that. Part of honor, in order to honor your purpose every day, there's some things you got to do. And you know what I'm going to say, right? Take care of your mind, your body, and your spirit. And when I release my newest V.I.B.E Living podcast, I'm going to be talking about ways that we can do that. We all have a choice. We could choose to, stay in the muck in the mirror and keep that TV going and listening to play by play. Or we can make another choice. That is to search for the miracles, look for the good, maintain our motivation, encourage each other, keep hope alive, as Jesse Jackson would say. Everyone is stepping up and providing some form of motivation. So I encourage you today for Lynnis minutes in these just brief moments that I'm spending with you to keep hope alive and continue to honor your purpose every single day. Do something special for yourself and do something special for someone else. And that special for someone else might be placing a phone call. It might be posting something in the group or something on your profile. Maybe finding a fantastic YouTube or something to share with us that will uplift us. Come on, I know we're in this for the long haul. And I know that this has been tough. And they keep telling us it's going to be tougher. But you know what? As I keep telling you, ladies, there is miracle in this mess. And let's not be fooled. There are negative entities, whatever you want to call it, and I'm not talking about human entities. I'm talking about spiritual entities that are taking this opportunity to really pound, okay, and to really get us so far deep in the muck and mire that we can't see the forest for the trees. But I challenge you not to do that. You know when you've heard enough. I know when I've heard enough. In fact, I challenge you to do what my friend Cheryl Grant, wellness woman Cheryl Grant, has said she was going to do, that she was going to turn off the TV. She was detoxing from the TV. And perhaps that's one way you can do it. Or maybe what you might want to do instead is all day long for a day, have one day where you do nothing but watch funny movies, or maybe another day where you do nothing but listen to oldies but goodies, and maybe another day where you do nothing but listen to positive messages from YouTube. You can truly channel your thoughts in a different direction. You don't have to have the virus attack our minds. We want to beat this virus when it comes to our emotional wellness. And one of the things I will be talking about as we are on this journey together is emotional eating. I think that maybe some of us might have fallen into that. I know I have. Get those endorphins going. Get moving. If you're housebound, even if it means doing 10 jumping jacks every other hour, or push-ups, 10 push-ups, or squats, there's so many things you can do to get your blood going. Once you get those endorphins going, you begin to have a different mindset. And the mindset is so much healthier than the mindset that maybe we might be having as a result of watching the television, being stuck in the house all the time. And let's face it, boredom does sink in. But if you're hoping, honoring our purpose every day, that means you're going to be doing something every day towards what's going to be happening for you after. This too shall pass. You know this. We've lived long enough to know, ladies, that nothing lasts forever. So let's prepare for that. Continue to stay motivated, continue to motivate others. Remember to vibe. We want to stay vibrant, intuitive, stay beautiful, and emerged. And I promise you that you will get to the other side of this really better than you were before. How does that happen? Well, it happens by continuing to hope, by continuing to honor our purpose every day. Thanks so much for listening. I'll see you on Wednesday with Jewel Diamond Taylor. I know she's going to have a fantastic message for all of us. I look forward to seeing you then. God bless, and looking forward to all those motivational, inspirational, and encouraging messages that we're going to be sharing today on Motivational Monday. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.